Congratulations, BP Earthwatch. You have achieved the likes of Gina Colvin Hill, fucking plasma, fucking being plasma web lady. You're no better than this lady over here, fucking BP. Fucking plasma lady talking about CERN. Is that where you're getting your information, you stupid, uneducated, cocksucking liar? So I've been telling Jesse for days you've been fucking watching him lie to people about this fucking shit. I'm sick and tired of watching him lie about this shit. CERN has been shut down for fucking 3 years, and we've been watching this happen for 3 years. Getting worse and worse every fucking day, just a little more than yesterday, a goddamn slow train wreck. And here's Jesse at the end trying to fucking blame CERN. Motherfucking lies cost lives, Jesse. And you're no better than this Langley fucking admin clearance cunt right here that lies to people. This is a thermometer of how stupid the fucking planet is. Right here. That's the caliber research you're given there, Jesse. You motherfucker, dude. It's people like you that the reason we can't have nice things, Jesse. You, personally. Each and every one of my fucking viewers need to be over here letting this man know he is the reason we can't have nice things. Sick of lies, and I'm sick of people that allow lies. This shit needs to end. Jesse, you need to fold, motherfucker. You're fucking lying to people, and it's causing lives to be lost, Jesse. Plasma being fuck. This woman is straight up CI motherfucking A programming to test the idiocy level of our planet. And it's pretty fucking strong, if you ask me. People walking around talking about CERN and fucking plasma beings like they know something. Jesse, do your goddamn homework. You know good and damn well this has been going on for 3 years while your CERN has been shut down. You're not seeing any effect here from CERN. And that is on your own fucking words. You're sitting here talking about, oh, well, they're going to turn it on. You know what? It hasn't been on, Jesse, and you've been showing this. You fucking turd burglar.